Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about what is Instagram and how can I start posting photos. In this video you can learn how to upload photos and videos to your Instagram page and comment on someone else's post. You can do this in both the mobile and desktop versions of Instagram, but when you upload images or videos from Instagram to your computer, you should use Google Chrome. Instagram is the premier social media venue for sharing your photos and short videos. A relatively new social network, Instagram launched in October 2010 and was originally only available on Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and in April 2012, Instagram also became available for Android phones. Facebook made history in that same month by offering to pay $1 billion in cash to purchase Instagram, and the deal officially closed in September 2012. As of fall 2013, Instagram had over 150 million users. Instagram allows you to capture photos using the app or import photos from other sources on your mobile device. And you can then apply a variety of digital filters to your photos, rotate and crop them, and apply borders to them. As you publish your photos in Instagram, you have the option to post them simultaneously to other social media sites including Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Flickr. You can add captions to your images, tag friends who use Instagram in your images, and add your images to a photo map which uses a GPS service to place the photos on a world map that both you and other Instagram users can use to see who's been taking photos and where. And once your images are published, your friends can like them and comment on them. In June 2013, Instagram started allowing users to record and share up to 15 seconds of video. And some people considered this as Facebook's way of competing with Twitter's new Vine application. And photography remains far more popular than video on Instagram. And using your smartphone or mobile device, download the free Instagram app from either the Apple Store or Google Play. And once the app is downloaded and installed on your device, open it and follow the steps. At first, the terms of use are pretty similar to those for any social media network, and you must agree that you will not use Instagram for illegal activity and you will not solicit the email addresses or passwords of other Instagram users, and you will not stalk or bully other users. You will not introduce viruses or spyware to the app, and a few other basic things. The terms of use also prohibits you from posting certain types of photographs. If you post the following things on Instagram, your account could be permanently deleted: violence, nudity or partial nudity, hateful or discriminatory images, illegal activities, pornography or sexually suggestive images. So you need to accept Instagram's terms of use at first. And then secondly, create your profile. Your Instagram profile includes space for a short bio. I can just show you from there. A short bio, a link to your website, and a profile photo that acts as a thumbnail on your post. And you can also establish whether your posts are public or private, meaning that only your followers can see them as opposed to anyone who uses the app. And once you complete these two steps, you are ready to start snapping, publishing, and sharing your images. And the 5 tabs you'll use most often on Instagram are along the bottom of any screen in the app. Here's a rundown of what you can accomplish in each of the 5 tabs along the bottom. The Home tab, here shaped like a house on the far left of the row, takes you to your main page, where you'll see your friends' photos and yours in chronological order, newest first. And the Explore tab lets you find posts and people to follow that Instagram thinks you like. And the camera tab is what you'll push to take a photo using the Instagram app. And the news tab is where you can see the photos that your followers have liked, or a list that details both the people who have liked your photos and your newest followers. And the profile tab is where you edit your profile, see all the photos you've posted, view your photo map, and see the photos you've been tagged in by friends, and see a list of the Instagrammers you follow as well as who is following you. And that's it. Once you sign up for an Instagram account, finding your friends and other people to follow is easy. So to do that, open your profile tab and tap the top right icon to open your options tab. And here you can just click discover people. And that's it. Instagram figures that you were on other social networks before trying theirs, so you can choose whether to find friends using your Facebook friends list or from your phone's contact list, whichever you choose. Once you see a list of your friends that have Instagram accounts, you can click follow next to any or all of their names to start following them, or click request for friends who have their Instagram accounts set as private. You can also tap the Explore tab at the bottom of your app, and the photos that show up here are images that the folks at Instagram consider the most interesting recent photos from the people most worthy of following. And Instagram doesn't reveal how they determine this, but they promise they do more than count likes or feature users with a lot of followers. And the photos that show up at the Explore come from all over the world. Finally, you can use the search bar at the top of your profile. It looks like a magnifying glass here. You can search for specific Instagrammers if you know someone's Instagram profile name, or you can search tags. Tags work like keywords to search for things you enjoy. For example, let's say you're interested in French food, so you can just type tags French food into the search box, and you can just see so many photos that have been tagged as such in this way. That's it. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.